Hello, welcome to Skill English. 10 adjectives or 10 positive adjectives to describe persons or people. This is all in today's session. I'm sure you will enjoy it. It's great fun, to describe someone which you know, whom you know. So today I have chosen some 10 positive adjectives which can help you to describe someone. So friends, let's get started and see what those adjectives are which can describe some other people whom you like or whom you want to project yourself as an ideal person. So let's start today's session. Today's first positive adjective which I have chosen is diligent. Diligent means hardworking. Someone who is very hardworking. So I can say Jack is a diligent person. That's why he gets good result from his work. That means he puts a lot of effort in his work and that's why he gets good result. Diligent, he's hardworking, he's not lazy, he's very serious about his work. So that type of person can be called a diligent person. Next, passionate. It's a super adjective. Passionate means those persons who have real love for something in life. I am passionate about teaching English. I love English so much. I love this subject. I love people to communicate in English better. I have real love for this subject. So I am passionate about English. Passionate means people who have real love for something in life. Next, ambitious persons or ambitious, the adjective is. Ambitious means persons who have a strong desire for success in life. He wants to grow in life. He doesn't want to be contained. He's not satisfied. He wants to go up in his life. Those types of persons are called ambitious person. So I can say our marketing manager is an ambitious person. He sets high goals in his life. So jump on to the next one, courteous. Courteous means polite and good manner. A person who is very courteous is a person who is very polite and good mannered. So I can say our class teacher is a courteous lady. Means our class teacher is a very polite and good mannered lady. Next, adventurous. What is adventurous means? Adventurous persons are those persons who are willing to undertake new and daring steps to go up in life. So I can say our team leader is an ambitious or adventurous person. Our team leader is an adventurous person. He takes daring steps to achieve his goal and he sets his goals high. So adventurous persons means persons who are willing to undertake new and daring steps. I hope you are getting all the positive adjectives which I am sharing with now, and I hope you are enjoying, is it not? If you have any other positive adjectives in your mind, please don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. I will be enjoying reading those comments. So friends, let's go on to the next one. Amiable. Amiable means persons who are very friendly, who can mix with persons who are very frank. So I can say the amiable young man greeted the guest with lot of enthusiasm. The amiable young man greeted the guest with lot of enthusiasm. So I can say a person who is friendly is an amiable person. Next, gregarious. Gregarious persons are those persons who are very sociable, who are fond of company, who love to be in the people, among the people. who enjoys meeting people. So I can say she is popular and a gregarious lady. That means she is a very social person and she is fond of company. Next, adaptable. Adaptable persons are those persons who are able to adjust under any circumstances. They are very adjustable, they are very adaptable. So children are highly adaptable. Relax, don't get tension. Children can adjust to any circumstances. So I can say children are highly adaptable. They can adjust themselves to any circumstances which we sometimes cannot adjust. The next one, exuberant. Exuberant, from the word, it means a person who is full of joy in life and has a lot of energy. If you look at him, you will find positive vibes coming out of him. Exuberant person, a person who is full of joy, who enjoys life to the full and who has a lot of energy in his work. So I can say my father, who is 80 years old, my father who is 80 years old is exuberant at any time. If you watch my father, you will find that he has a lot of joy and a lot of energy in life. So exuberant persons are persons who have very, very powerful and who enjoys life and has a lot of energy. The last one, easygoing. Easygoing persons are those persons who are very relaxed, who are tolerant, who are not short-tempered, who don't get tense, who are not excited, super excited at a situation. They can control themselves very well. And these type of persons are very, very successful in life. If you have the opportunity to mix with persons who are easygoing, you will feel some positive vibes coming out of them. So easygoing persons are those persons who are very relaxed and tolerant. So I can say my friend is an easygoing person. He's a cool guy. So an easygoing person is a person who is relaxed and who is tolerant, who is a cool person. So today's session was all about adjectives and positive adjectives to describe people. I have great love for these adjectives and I have great admiration for people who have these qualities inside them. I've enjoyed this session with you and I hope you have enjoyed this session. So those who have any other positive adjectives in their mind, please don't forget to put it in the comment section below, which I've already mentioned once in this session. So friends, before I end my session today, I would say that all of you in this situation, pandemic situation, be careful, be safe and go on working with your English, because this will take your communication to the next level, which will help you to crack the job or crack any other opportunities which come in your life. So those who are new to my channel, those who are first time watching me, I hope you have enjoyed this session. And before you leave, don't forget to put your likes, your valuable comments, and the most important thing, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to put or click the notification bell so that you will get all the notification as and when I upload. And those who are my subscribers who have already subscribed, I'm really grateful to them that you are spending your valuable time watching my session. Until next time, all of you from Skill English, welcome you again and again to this channel. Please come back to this channel again and again and watch my video so that the benefit passes into you. So friends, saying goodbye from Skill English. Until next time, thank you.